Hello, my name is Russell Swash. I'm the president of Machine Neuroscience Technologies Incorporated. What I'm about to show you is a demonstration of a proof of concept platform where you will see me training a system to recognize words by creating synaptic connections the same way that your brain makes connections. So it's totally a revolutionary new approach that models the human mind and is capable of far more than any of the artificial intelligence or neural network approaches that have been tried to date that try to use computers and model the mind as a computer, which it isn't. So get ready for an interesting little adventure. This is a TalkBot developed by Machine Neuroscience Technologies. It's a 3-board system that is mounted on a Bobot chassis for proof of concept purposes only, and it is currently connected to a keyboard and an NTSC display so that I can demonstrate the training mode, and then I'll show you how it operates once it's learned words. Pause the system, and I was training it to recognize the word drive. The microphone is actually down here. This is the microphone mounted on the Bobot so that when it's moving around it can hear me. And so I'm going to start again with training the word drive by unpausing the system. Drive, 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 drive. I pause the system so you can see when it does not recognize a word, it shows what the training word is, and it shows the synaptic pointer that was created, and it asked me to wait briefly while it finds the location for that new synaptic pointer. It takes fractions of a second to do that. Where you see the word drive on to the left and the right, that means it recognized it correctly. Now I'm going to start with a second word, and you'll see that it will have some instances where it incorrectly recognizes the word. If it does that, I simply hit the plus key and it deletes that incorrect synaptic connection. If it is okay, then I just keep repeating the word. When I'm ready to change words, I hit the minus key and it will prompt me for a new training word. So I'm going to unpause it, then I'm going to tell it I want to change training words. It'll ask me to spell the word and to give it a control string for what to do when it hears that word. Stop, stop. Okay, I'm doing this two-handed. So I've typed in the word stop. I hit enter. Stop. There. Now it didn't recognize it, so it wants me to tell it what the control string is. And we'll try and do this. And I'll explain later what the control string does. So I typed in a control string and I hit enter, and now it's waiting for me to say the word again. Stop. Got it wrong, so I hit the equal sign. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, so what you saw was instances where it was already starting to recognize the word correctly. It does take a little bit longer than this to get it to an accuracy level that's useful for actually having it move around, but it happens very quickly. It's a matter of typically minutes or less than an hour per word to train it to a level where it reliably recognizes the word. So I'm going to pause the video at this point and train some other words, and then we'll pick up with how it performs when it recognizes those words. As you can see, I've paused the system. The last word I was training with was the word stop, and I'm getting reasonably good recognition of that word. So now I'm going to switch the system into active mode, and with it sitting on the table so you can see the wheels move when I say different words. And then we'll put it on the floor and let it drive around without being hooked up to anything. So the first thing I need to do is unpause the system and then hit X, X, okay, training is disabled, and that means that when it hears a word it recognizes, it's going to do something. And I'll try and let you see what's on the screen at the same time. If it doesn't recognize the word, it prompts you to repeat the word. As it hears words, you'll see the two wheels at the bottom turning. And I have a dead man timer set up so that if it doesn't recognize another word within 4 seconds, it'll automatically stop, so I don't have to chase this thing all over the floor. And it's recognizing different words here. When you see one wheel turn, it's either going left or right. And when you see both wheels turning, then it's either driving forward or backward. And I've got a lithium polymer battery supplying 12 volts to the system. So it's lightweight, easily rechargeable. I have the power connection set up to where I can plug it into a wall brick and then unplug the battery and charge it without losing the memory that has been trained. And now I'm going to unhook it from the display and the keyboard and let it drive around on the floor. So I've paused the system. Alright. Here's the keyboard plug. It's a PS2 keyboard. Here is the NTSC video jack. I'm going to unplug that. Repeat the word. Drive, stop, right, back. Now it recognizes it. Right, stop,